Welcome back to our channel. If you like our sharing, member, like, subscribe, share, please support us. Thank you. Okay, for question 16a, okay, it's about ultrasound. It is a textbook problem, really easy to answer, but you will lose marks easily. Be careful. First of all, it tells about why low frequency is for deep body and high frequency is for skin. Both you have to answer. So for high frequency, high frequency has a short wavelength, and short wavelength has a better resolution. So this better resolution thing is used for skin. And then the answer on the contrary, why low frequency is for deep inside for low frequency, longer wavelength. So it has a less absorption by the body tissue. So you can scan deep inside the body. So deep body, deep in the body. Okay. So you have answered both. If you forget one of them, then you lose half the mark. So be careful, especially for this obviously seemingly easy question. There might be trick. Next one is another textbook problem. Okay, why you need gels in ultrasound imaging? Remember, we have a probe here. Normally, without the gel, the skin between them there is air. And ultrasound is low in air and fast on the skin. So when this ultrasound strike inside, will reflect bends away from normal, and sometimes total internal reflection occurs. Okay, so you can say, but effectively, it is a very refractive this interface. So much of the ultrasound is being reflected out. So we need to have the gel, put the gel inside. The gel is specially designed, a similar speed in the gel and on the skin. So the refraction will be less here, less reflecting, low total internal reflection. So you should say the air skin boundary is highly reflective due to total internal reflection. Yeah, say more, especially technical term. Right, just don't just say the second part, okay? Total internal reflection. And then say what is the use of the gel? The gel move out or squeeze out the gap, okay? The gel uh, okay, squeeze out, okay, you can say squeeze out the air gap, okay? Okay, right here, okay. Squeeze out air gap, okay? Okay, you have to explain what's the problem of the air gap and then what's the use of the gel. Most of my students just say gel squeeze out the air and then that's it, but remember 2 points. In IBA, one marks give at least 1 point, okay? So you have to say the reason, use a technical term, and I'm sure you can get a good marks here. See you.